What's up guys, Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and today we're going to be comparing the ZONE 1-inch leveling kit and the ZONE 2-inch lift kit on the 2021 Ford Bronco. We are here with the ZONE 1-inch leveling kit and the ZONE 2-inch lift kit for the Ford Bronco. We're going to go ahead and dive into these, see what all you get inside the box, go over a little bit of the pros and cons, and find out which one is best for you and your Bronco. So let's go ahead and dive in. All right, so the first of the two products that we're going to dive into is the 1-inch leveling kit from ZONE. First thing you're going to notice is the packaging. It's got the ZONE branding all over. It looks pretty cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop it open, see what we get. Got some packing material. See, we got our supplied hardware. This is a 4-piece kit, even though it's just on the front 2 struts. So you have your 2 top spacers, and then you have your 2 bottom spacers. The reason they do this is to avoid as much modification as possible. With this kit, there's no cutting or disassembly of the strut required, and you just use the top spacer and then the bottom spacer to get your 1-inch level. Also included, you have a warning sheet. Looks like we have some install instructions, and it looks like we have a sticker that unfortunately did not fare too well. So with this 1-inch leveling kit, you will notice that it has this nice E-coating on steel construction. So it is laser cut to make sure that you have the best finish and fit possible. And also another huge perk of these, this 1-inch leveling kit, is that it will work with your Badlands Bronco or any Sasquatch equipped Bronco, whereas the 2-inch lift kit will not. All right, so now that we've unboxed the 1-inch leveling kit, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the 2-inch lift kit. So when we open the box, the first thing we are gonna see is 2 of the spacers. Since this kit is a 2-inch lift kit, it is gonna come with spacers for the front and rear, whereas the leveling kit only had spacers for the front. So also you will notice that these are not made of the same material. They're not an E-coated steel, rather they're fiberglass reinforced nylon resin. It looks to be very durable, and as you can hear from dropping it on the table, it has some weight to it as well. We also have our included hardware, your install instructions, and then it looks like we have another sticker that did not quite fare so well. So a big benefit of these is you get a 2-inch lift kit to accommodate a larger wheel and tire. They are top mount spacers, so they do require a little bit of extra work. There's no strut disassembly, however you do have to slightly compress the spring to rotate the top hats to get these to work. They are designed to work within the operating limits of the factory control arms, so OEM ride quality and drivability are very, very similar. And one thing to note about the 2-inch lift kit as opposed to the 1-inch leveling kit, the 2-inch lift kit does not work with Sasquatch equipped Broncos. So this is going to be for your base Broncos or any other Bronco in the lineup without the Sasquatch package. You should really consider one of these 2 kits if you're looking to upgrade your wheels and tires to a larger wheel and tire package, or if you're just looking for a nice aggressive lifted look. So that's gonna about wrap up this video, but before we let you go, we got some exciting news. We are going to be giving away one of these kits to one of you guys. All you're gonna have to do is enter this code right here and go on over to the sweepstakes tab on pandamotorworks.com and you're automatically entered. If you want additional entries, we are going to be sneaking in some codes into future videos, so be sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on any future opportunities to win. Also, be sure to smash that like button and comment if you have any questions below. And one final thing, if you just can't wait for the grand prize drawing to get your ZONE kit for your Bronco, no worries there. You can go ahead and follow one of the links in the description, purchase your ZONE Offroad kit, and if you are our grand prize winner, your order is going to be refunded. So good luck to everyone watching this video, and thanks for watching the video.